We've all been there, riding high, then suddenly the rain hits and the road turns treacherous. That heart-stopping moment when your back tire slips, that's what we're tackling today. The pros have a playbook for wet riding, and it's not magic, it's knowledge. Today, I'm sharing those real techniques to keep your tires glued to the road, even in a downpour. This isn't just about surviving the rain, it's about riding with confidence, no matter the weather. Ready to master the art of wet riding? Let's dive in. Your tires are your lifeline, especially in the rain. Tread depth is critical. Those grooves aren't for show, they channel water away so your tire can grip. Worn tread? You're basically skating on water. Check your tires with a tread depth gauge. Don't guess. Now here's a pro. Move. Drop your tire pressure by 2 psi before a wet ride. This widens the contact patch, giving you more grip and letting the tread do its job. But don't go too low, just enough to feel the difference without making the bike feel mushy. Every bike reacts differently, so experiment and find your sweet spot. Remember, deep tread and a slight pressure drop are your first line of defense. Get these right, and you're already ahead of the game. Don't just trust me. Try it, and feel the difference for yourself. A good pressure gauge is a must-have. Know your bike's recommended pressures and adjust for the rain. The goal? More rubber on the road, more confidence in the wet. Heavy touring bike or lightweight sport bike, the principle is the same. Healthy tread and smart pressure. Recap. Check your tread, adjust your pressure, and you're set for wet weather. These 2 steps transform your bike from fair weather friend to all conditions machine. It's simple, but it's the foundation of wet riding. Don't skip it. The right tires in the right condition make all the difference. That's how the pros do it. And now, so can you. Next time it rains, you'll be ready. No more guessing, no more slipping. Just grip, control, and confidence. That's the pro's secret. Let's move on. Tires sorted. Now let's talk about your chain. A dirty, dry chain means jerky power and lost traction in the wet. Clean your chain before and after wet rides. Use a rain-resistant lube. Look for wet lube or all-weather. Smooth power means more control, especially on slick roads. Your chain matters more than you think. Now let's talk about the most important part of the bike, you. In the rain, your posture and gear matter more than ever. Stay loose on the bars, no death grip. Let the bike move beneath you. Keep your core engaged but your arms relaxed. This helps the bike self-correct if it twitches. Center your weight and keep the bike upright. Lean your body into turns, not the bike. This keeps the contact patch big and grip high. Your feet matter too. Wear proper riding boots with oil-resistant soles for solid footing at stops and on the pegs. Good boots mean better control and less chance of slipping when you put a foot down. Grip the tank with your knees and keep your weight on the balls of your feet. Your body acts as dynamic suspension. Absorb bumps. Don't fight the bike. Think of yourself as a stabilizer, core strong, limbs loose, ready to adapt. Practice this even in the dry. Loosen your grip, feel the bike's feedback through the seat and pegs. The right gear and posture turn you from a passenger into an active part of the machine. This is how you stay in control, even when the road is unpredictable. Don't just sit on the bike. Become part of it. Every input matters more in the wet, so make them count. The pros ride with their whole body, not just their hands. You should too. Master your posture. Master the rain. It's a skill that pays off every ride. Feel the difference in control and confidence. The right body position is your ultimate tool. Practice, adjust, and own it. That's how you ride like a pro in the rain. Let's get into the real action. Turning and stopping. Here's where it all comes together. Cornering and braking in the wet. Amid the mantra. Smoothness is everything. In the rain, keep the bike upright as long as possible. Slow down more than you think you need to. Do all your braking while upright, before you start the turn. Initiate the turn gently. Push the inside bar, lean your body in, but keep the bike vertical. This keeps the contact patch big and the grip strong. Look through the corner, keep a steady throttle, and avoid sudden movements. For braking, shift your bias toward the rear. Think 60% front, 40% rear, or even 50-50. Start with a gentle squeeze on the rear brake to settle the bike, then smoothly add the front brake. Never grab. Squeeze both brakes progressively. Modern ABS helps, but don't rely on it. Learn to feel for traction. Practice in a wet, empty lot to get a feel for how your bike responds. Always separate your inputs. Brake while upright, turn with a steady throttle, and accelerate gently when upright again. Never combine hard braking and turning in the wet. This staged approach keeps you in control and your tires gripping. The pros break every maneuver into smooth, deliberate steps. That's how you turn a scary situation into a controlled one. Remember, smooth, separate, and steady. That's the art of wet cornering and braking. Practice makes perfect. Don't wait for a storm to learn. Master these moves, and you'll ride with confidence in any weather. It's not about speed, it's about control. The rain is just another challenge to conquer. With the right technique, you'll own every corner and stop. That's the pro's way. Ready for the next level? Let's talk pro secrets. Here's what separates good from great. You've got the basics, now for the pro hacks that make rain riding safer and easier. First, visibility. A fogged visor is dangerous. Use a pinlock insert or anti-fog spray. Even shaving cream works in a pinch. Wipe the inside of your visor before every ride for clear vision. Carry a small synthetic sponge to wipe rain off your visor. Way better than a gloved finger. Now read the road like a pro. Painted lines and metal plates, treat them like black ice. Avoid braking or accelerating on them and cross at a right angle if you must. The center of the lane is often slick with oil. Ride in the tire tracks for better grip. Scan for road texture. Dark, smooth asphalt is slicker. Lighter, rougher pavement offers more grip. Always be looking for patches of better traction. If the rain is heavy and visibility drops, don't push it. Pull over and wait it out. There's no shame in being smart. The best riders know when to pause and when to go. Patience is a pro's greatest tool. These little tricks make a big difference in safety and confidence. Visibility, road reading, and patience. These are the pro's secret stash. Use them every ride, and you'll handle the rain like a veteran. It's not just about grip. It's about seeing hazards before they get you. Stay alert, stay smart, and stay safe. The pros never stop learning, and neither should you. Every ride is a chance to improve. Take these tips, make them habits, and you'll be ready for anything. Rain or shine, you'll ride with confidence. That's the real secret. Let's wrap it up. Here's how you own the rain. There you have it. The real secrets to riding in the rain. It's not about being fearless, it's about being prepared and smart. With these techniques, rain becomes just another skill to master. Don't just watch, go practice. Find a wet lot, check your tires, clean your chain, and feel the difference. Master these steps and you'll ride with confidence no matter the weather. Share your own rain riding tips in the comments, and subscribe for more pro riding advice. Keep learning, keep improving, and keep building that connection with your bike. The best riders don't run from the storm, they know how to dance in it. Ride safe, and I'll see you on the next one. This is RideVault, helping you become the best rider you can be.